So why does every AEC company or architecture, engineering, and construction company need a good BIM manager now? I'm using the term BIM manager. Some people use BIM coordinator or CTO or director of digital technology. Whatever it is, it's someone that can help you with the digital transformation that really is exploding in the AEC market. So how can a good BIM manager help your firm? Well, we're going to discuss briefly 3 ways. Number 1, keep production moving and even making it go faster. So first of all, they're going to help your staff respond to RFPs, or requests for proposals, that mention BIM or BIM execution plans. Then once you've won the work, then they're going to help your staff stay productive within the bounds of the contract and the BIM execution plan. And how are they doing this? Well, they're continually looking at ways to improve your workflow. They develop standards. Just a note about standards. Standards are important. They're really like a recipe for success. So you take success and then you work backwards from that and you get your standard. How did we get to that success? So they can help with that. And then as a nice kind of side effect of this is that will then help with hiring new staff and onboarding those new staff with those standards and workflows in place. Second thing is they're going to find out what doesn't work. So there is one piece of software that would just be amazing for your company, and it would help you become more productive and profitable. And there's probably 100 that won't as well. So the BIM manager, the good BIM manager, is going to do some research and some testing and find out what is really going to work for your firm right now and going forward. Once they've found this good technology or these new techniques and workflows, then they're going to train them to the staff. They're going to implement them. The third thing is managing software and hardware. So this is an area where a BIM manager and an IT manager can work together, and a finance person for sure. But really, the key here is information. Information is power, as they say. So if you know how many users you have, you know what they're using, how they're using it, when subscriptions are happening, what different software vendors are out there, then it's easier to negotiate with and work with resellers like me so that we know exactly what you're looking for and how we can meet that need. The other part of this is working with IT on integrating hardware. So you might think, well, hardware, what's that have to do with BIM? Well, there's laser scanners, there's Matterports, there's 3D printers, there's virtual and augmented reality. So there is quite drones. So there's a lot of hardware out there that you can integrate into your process that can help your process, but it really needs to go through someone like a BIM manager to make get the maximum benefit out of that. What are some just general good qualities that you're looking for in a BIM manager? Number 1, pragmatic. They're just really focused. They want to help the company meet its goals, keep things simple, not overly complex and not overly simple as well. They're patient. They can teach others. They're organized. They can make standards and goals. They're open-minded. They can do research. And obviously, they do need to have some technical ability with BIM. So how are you going to find this BIM manager? Well, a lot of companies nurture from within, and that's something that SolidCAD helps with. We've helped a lot of companies build that internal capabilities so that someone can take on that role confidently, and we can coach them through that process. You can also hire new, and we have ways that you can identify that person very clearly, and we've helped a number of companies identify that person that they need to be their BIM manager. It's worked out well. And you can hire SolidCAD. We will work as BIM managers in an interim basis, and we do this right now. I've done it personally, and it works out very nicely because we're able to just put a nice basic foundation. We've done this for a number of years. We know the tools, we know the standards, so we can implement something. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. we can use a standard that we've developed just to get you going until you can build that internal capability. So if any of this sounds interesting to you, you want to chat more about this, then contact me on LinkedIn or reach out to me via email.